Hey, what's up guys, Mr. Deadpool1X here, bringing up another video guys, that's right. This time once again against Mr. Antichrist here. But this time we're doing NU tiers. Let's go and listen to 16. I don't know what 16 is, but let's do it. It's supposed to be an NU battle, and Antichrist is most probably a specialist in NU battles. And, so, I see, possibly two weaknesses to fighting, maybe two immunities to fighting, the Mantine and the Electrode. Big problems, but not unless, I am gonna go with the Smoky here, set up the Toxic Spikes as soon as possible. It is definitely gonna hurt a lot of his Pokemon, and, I do not like it. So, he starts off with my left nut. Once again, my left nut is back in this battle. Do I try and risk and set up for, you know what? I'd rather not take the risk and just go straight up into Mega Camerupt. He might be switching out too, which I highly doubt. Okay, he carries the taunt. That's fine by me. Right here, he'll want to switch into something that can take me out, and I am guessing it's the water type. If not, then it's gonna be, oh, it is. So, I carry Hidden Power Grass, as you guys, saw in one of my battles, which should be interesting. I do not know why I closed the Google Chrome. What the hell happened? I don't know. Is Steve Irwin is another typing. Do I have anything in here that could possibly help me? So let's go straight up into the Seismitoad. I'm guessing a water attack is coming out. Should be really interesting. So far we're 2 minutes deep out into the game. Toxic, wow. Okay, well that sucks for Seismitoad. I guess this thing is defensive or something. I honestly don't know what to go for right now. I should have maybe went into Sock. Pretty sure he's part water flying, so I'll just keep going for Drain Punches. At this point, there's not much I can do. He goes for the Air Slash. Yes, he's part flying. I'm sure of it now. So, he's part flying. I'm gonna go again for another Drain Punch. I should be able to take another Air Slash if he's going for another one. Well, let's go into Articuno. I'm sure he's most probably wondering what the hell am I going to Articuno. Well, the Freeze Dry is super effective against water types, which is kind of another way to defend myself. Should take him out pretty well, considering that it should do 4 times since he's water and flying. So he went out into my right nut, and with his right nut out on the field, I will go into Smokey once again. Jesus Christ, man. I am gonna change the layout for battles. That did a lot of damage. I'm gonna go for the Will-O-Wisp here. He is going for the Stealth Rocks. Okay. No problem, pal. Stealth Rocks. No! That mattered a lot! Now he's gonna switch out into something that will be able to take out the Will-O-Wisp. I should have went for Toxic Spikes. So my left nut's got Air Balloon. Let's go ahead and switch him out once again. Let's go straight up into Sock. Since I see a lot of stuff that are countering fighting types. My left nut is already burnt, so I am gonna go for the knockoff. Might get paralyzed here. He went for the Thunderbolt. I still have my Assault Vest, so I'll be able to take those Thunderbolts and those special attacks like no problem. Wow, that was a crit. That totally mattered. That was incredible. Wow. I did not expect that crit there. Miss Magus comes in. I still have something to hit Miss Magus with. I'm gonna go for the knockoff still. She's gonna go for the Dazzling Game. I might be able to take it. Alright, I took it. I took it like a champ. Oh, yeah! So, Miss Magus is dead. I did not expect Sock to put in so much work. Bend over. So the Mighty Anna comes, and the Mighty Anna is kind of scaring me. Well, I still have the Cacturn that will be able to damage this Mighty Anna. Do I go for the knockoff or the double kick? That would be a very good question here. I'm gonna go for the double kick. Either way, Sock was dead. Oh wow, Moxie, Mighty Anna. Right here, I am gonna go for Smokey. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna set up my spikes. The spikes are gonna matter a lot. Because chances are he might switch out the Mighty Anna. He doesn't want to risk the burn. So let me set up my spikes. So the spikes are there. They're on the field. I'm gonna go for the Will-O-Wisp. No way. Oh! I live! Oh my. Oh. Yeah. That was incredible. So I'm guessing Mighty Anna wants to try and take out Bendover. I don't really feel like letting him take me out. I really don't think I'll be able to take hits, but in case I am, I'll use the pain split. I highly doubt. So he goes for the crunch. I don't remember what else he's got. I know that Mighty Anna is pretty good. I just might go into the Articuno. I will go into the Articuno, and I'm gonna go for the Protect. I know his Stealth Rocks are up and everything. But I do need to, stall him out a little. While the poison will take effect on him and everything else. So now I'm gonna go for the Roost. Since I know he might be going for the Sucker Punch. So he went for Fire Fang, that's fine by me. It's only fair, right? You gotta win some and you gotta lose some. Well, this is quite a turned out event. If I go into Cacturne, I'm not gonna go into Cacturne. I need to preserve Cacturne for his last Pokemon. So right over here, I am gonna go straight up for my Earth Power. Hopefully should take him out. Should. He took me out one shot. That was incredible. Chances are he might go for Fire Fang here, predicting the Sucker Punch. Sash is broken. I am gonna go for the Sucker Punch. And now it comes down to one-on-one once again. Hey, I don't know what to do, guys. Does poison jab increase the damage, or is that Venice shock? Target is no, that's Venice shock. Okay. So do I go for the sucker punch? I think that's what he thinks that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go for the poison jab. Okay, well, I did the right call. I got some damage on him. I'll go for the sucker punch in case he... Okay, I've never seen that before, guys. But either way, it's a pretty good game. Now remember, guys, to comment, like, and subscribe. It always helps me. And if this video gets 10 likes, I will bring you not one, but 2 videos. That is what I say, and that is what I'll do, guys. Until the next time, guys.